Good day, everyone. Learn how to see and show the available storage available in Samsung phones. So we will go to the settings and then we will look for files or storage. Just type storage right there. I'll type STORA. So you will find storage, share, and under device care, you will find storage. We will click on that and then it will look for the storage, and in device care, you will find the battery, the storage available. So you can see it says Samsung Galaxy Ultra phone and it's 256 GB, and out of 256, 148 GB is available. You can also see that out of 12 GB, 2.1 GB is available, and you can also optimize your phone. You can see there are no, you can see the app protection as well, and you can always optimize and you can see the status whether it is good or not. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.